I was on mute. So, hey, everybody, good morning. Good morning. It is your girl, Stephanie Ray Songbird, coming to you live. Just wanted to stop a minute and talk about the sounds of heaven that we are bringing here to Houston, Texas. We are super excited. We want to invite you to join us in a night of worship as we experience God's presence, and we are believing Him for a great outpouring. First, I want to thank the Alive Church, Pastor Bart Dye, for opening his doors and allowing this move of God. Registration is free. We have extended registration. So if you are a worshiper, a musician, an intercessor, a dancer, and you want to participate, you still have time to sign up. So we'll close the registration on April 13th. When I finish this live, I will place the link in the comments. For everybody else that just wants to come out and participate and be in the presence, registration is open. It's free via eventbrite.com. You can go there and you can register now. So I just want to say, like this post, tag worshipers in this post, share this post. We want to be light in darkness and set the atmosphere so our communities, our family, our city can have a true encounter with God. So join us May 6th as we continue to seek the heart of the Father and present the pure sounds of worship. If you have questions, feel free to inbox me, direct message me at Stephanie Ray Songbird, or you can also email the artistryofasongbird@gmail.com. So I will let you go back to your regularly scheduled program. Praying peace and blessings over you and your family, that you have a wonderful day. Again, just wanted to come on here for a second. I'll come on here once a week and continue to do this. Registration is open now for the Sounds of Heaven, a live experience, Houston, Texas. So worshipers, we're looking forward to worshiping with you. We're looking forward to see you. We're looking forward to what the Lord is going to do in our city. We want a true encounter. We want people to experience God like never before. We want to be a light in a dark world. So we will see you soon. Looking forward, so excited. It is a beautiful Wednesday outside now that the rain has left us in Houston and the sun is out. The sun is still shining. Y'all know I always say that. So come out May 6th, the Sounds of Heaven, a live experience. We look forward to seeing you there. Talk with you soon.